If you love chemistry but get bored with textbooks, then mark your calendar for an event that will spark your curiosity. The management and Senate of the University of Uyo proudly present the 105th Inaugural Lecture by the esteemed Professor Basse Antia. Let's get into the captivating realm of natural products chemistry, where the mysteries of the natural world reveal themselves in atoms, molecules, and ions. On Thursday, September 26, 2024, at 3 p.m, join us at the 1,000-seater Tetfund Auditorium, University of Uyo main campus. Off Nwaneba Road, Uyo Akwa Ibom State. Be seated by 2:45 p.m. to ensure you don't miss a moment of this enlightening experience. Prof. Antia, a leading figure in organic and natural products chemistry, will unravel the secrets of nature that lie hidden in every molecule. Don't miss this opportunity to expand your knowledge and fuel your passion for chemistry. See you there, chemistry enthusiasts. Let's uncover the wonders of the natural world together. Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, Announcer.